Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Delena's equipment from Oklahoma, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now these lamps are very sought after, they're highly collectible, and people really like them. This unit was purchased used and it did not work. It does click when you turn it on, and so that's an issue in the gear cluster pack. So we want to troubleshoot the gear cluster. We also want to troubleshoot the main PC boards, because there can be issues on the main PC boards that will cause the gear cluster pack to not function properly. So it could be a few different issues going on with this unit, and so what we want to do is troubleshoot the entire unit while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repair of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that you never want to allow the arms or any moving components to be restricted. That will cause issues. It will break parts in the gear cluster pack, and we find that a lot of times small children will try to hold the arms while they're moving, and that's basically how they get broken, or the lamp takes a fall and hits the floor, and that can cause issues too. So as long as the arms and the moving parts are not restricted, there shouldn't be too many issues with these units. Now, the electronics are also pretty delicate in these units, and if you ever have any storms or anything like that, you definitely want to turn the main power switch off, and better yet, you want to unplug it from the electrical outlet. Now, always turn that main power switch off at the back of the base of the unit when plugging in or unplugging from an electrical outlet. They are prone to power surges, and if the electrical outlet is not in very good shape, that can cause issues also. Now we have this unit plugged in and the main power switch at the back of the base turned on. So we want to go ahead and turn the unit on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
We're going to wait a little bit. We do not want to turn the switch on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Well, who turned out the light?
And Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit off.
Oh, where'd you go?
And we'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit back on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll go ahead and turn the unit back on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
Now that we know that this really cool animated goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Delana and they can enjoy this goofy lamp. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.